what happened with my hearing. You know, that was a lot of fun. You know, where I just said, I walked in, he starts saying, we got the case today, the Karl Lentz, the plaintiff notice, you know, plaintiff Karl Lentz. I ain't no plaintiff. We could talk about that one, but I'll do that some other time. That was a funny one. I had a good time with mine. But again, but the judge gave his opinion on mine as well. He said at this time, there's not enough evidence, and the case isn't clear enough for him to make a ruling one way or the other, because he doesn't, you know, I wrote like one sentence. He's like, I don't know enough to judge this case. There's not enough.
Wait a minute. So what he wrote is different from what he told us in their hearing.
No, he said he's going to dismiss my claim. Oh, he said he's going to dismiss my claim. I said, I got you. You called it a claim. I thought you said there's no claims in your court. I got you. So he dismissed it. Okay? He didn't discharge it, and he didn't dismiss it with prejudice. He just dismissed it, and his ruling was basically saying with Franks, there's not enough here for me to make a ruling. He says, I, man, claim the wrong trespass, the Exhibit A. He says, I don't see enough here to do anything. See, he wants me to do a statement of fact. He wants to do the nature of the parties. He wants me to do venue. He wants me to put down the jurisdiction. He wants me to do the code that I'm relying on to move the court. He wants me to do all that crap. And I'm just like, no, dude. I'm claiming the wrong trespass. Get a jury. He knows what he did. I know what they did. There's the exhibit. Get it in front of the jury. Let the jury decide. I don't want you to do a damn thing with it. I didn't ask you to sit here. You know what? I paid that lady $100 to have a trial by jury. If you guys don't give me a trial by jury, you took my money, and you took my money, and you're not going to give me a trial by jury? Right. Okay, fine. Then you commit fraud. You know I asked for a trial by jury. Is this trial by jury? No. Then why didn't you tell me, well, it's conditional? Maybe we'll give you one. Maybe we won't. I'll fucking decide whether you get it or not. You didn't say that, did you? No, you did it. So you took my money, and now you led me to believe I'm going to trial by jury. You took my money, and now you're not going to give me trial by jury? What are you saying? You told me you're going to give me this venue, this dance hall venue, and you told me I could play polka music. Now I fucking get here, and you tell me I got to play rap. I don't play freaking rap. Well, that's what I like to play in my courthouse. Well, it ain't your freaking courthouse, pal, Judge. It's a people's courthouse, and I'm renting out this venue to move a court of record, and this is a court of record, right? Well, yeah, it is a court of record, so what's the elements of a court of record? And I asked them that. I said, you're independent of the tribunal. You sit to the side, and I'm going to present my case. They're going to answer to my case in front of the jury and let the jury decide. You have nothing to do with this. He's like, what? That's crazy. I said, obviously, you don't know the definition of a court of record, though you've been sitting here for 20 years. I said, I ain't going to teach you this. I told you that. Then I started going back memory lane. I said, I told you this back in 2008. I told you this was illegal and lawful. I'm not going to sit here and explain to you what a court of record is. If you don't know, you don't freaking know. You know, you heard me. You know, you were there. That was a lot of fun. I laughed my ass off, you know.
Yeah, and Frankie's thing, which, you know, they did their whole thing with Frank, he said he was dismissing the complaint, not on the motion that they filed to dismiss, but the damages couldn't be calculated. That's not what he used, but something like that. Could not be calculated.
I'm talking what the ruling actually was. You're right about that, but I'm going to give you a more precise answer. What he says, it doesn't say the date in which the damages occurred.
Yeah, I was just going to say that, yeah.
Okay, the initial date. So it says, you got to give me something so I can start doing calculations. Right. So look, see, the judge didn't trash us, didn't trash the cases. The cases could come back anytime we fucking want to bring them. I could play it through the legal system. I could play it the legal route if I want to, but no, I want to still play it through the court of record route. And now that Colette lied and there's no pictures and they couldn't find a damn bloody thing on them, it's going to be a lot easier for me to move my case.